iCIMS Review. My honest experience with this hiring platform. Hiring the right talent can be overwhelming, and iCIMS promises to simplify the recruitment process. I tested it firsthand, and here's my honest take. Most people think applicant tracking systems are complicated or rigid. The surprising truth is iCIMS balances power and usability, offering tools for job posting, candidate management, and onboarding in one platform. Setup was relatively smooth. I created a company profile, posted a job, and began receiving applications. The dashboard provides a clear overview of candidates, stages in the hiring pipeline, and pending tasks. Automation handles repetitive tasks like resume screening and email notifications, saving hours of manual work. Communication is streamlined. You can message candidates directly through the platform, schedule interviews, and even integrate with video interview tools. Analytics give insights into time to hire, source performance, and candidate engagement, helping refine the recruitment strategy. iCIMS also integrates with her software and background check providers, creating a seamless workflow from hiring to onboarding. The downside is pricing. iCIMS targets medium to large enterprises, so smaller businesses may find costs high. Also, new users may need time to master all features, as the platform is extensive. In conclusion, iCIMS is a robust, feature-rich hiring platform that saves time, improves candidate experience, and provides actionable insights. For organizations serious about streamlining recruitment, it's worth the investment.